Try to think of something you love me more than, like 4 minutes of love, of love, of of your time, then I gotta run. What would you do if I told you I'm done? What would you do if I said you won? What would you do if I told you that I was just trying to be nice and I was having some fun, baby? What if I told you I was trying to give you the best of your life? But I'm still number of love.